What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. I'm currently in my car right now on my way to pick up the brand new YOSHIMURA exhaust pipe for my X7 pocket bike. So I'm gonna get off the camera right now, but here in a second you're gonna get a chance to see this brand new pipe. So excited, guys. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, check it out. The YOSHIMURA is back there. I had a small sneak peek at it, but this thing is looking mint. So I'm gonna show you guys when I'm back at the house so I can really show you guys everything about it, but super pumped. All right, guys, so I just got back to the place and Nobble showed up, so he's gonna help me film this video today. Let's show you guys this pipe. All right, so I've got it in my back seat here. Pull it out. YOSHIMURA. When I saw this one, I knew I had to have it. So let's open it up. Again, I had it open before because I took a look at it when I picked it up. All right, you guys ready for this? This is the pipe for the X7 pocket bike. Guys, I decided to go with the RS4 YOSHIMURA. Check out the size of this thing. I mean, it's pretty much as big as my leg here. And I've got the bike back here out already. So we're gonna do a quick mock-up. I like hearing from you guys and kind of your input on stuff, but let me get it out of the bag first. I love that carbon fiber tip though. Now you know why I did the wrap quick. Obviously this stuff is legit though, so. Whoops. These are just the mounting screws. So let me throw these back in the washers and whatnot. Throw them back in the bag. So check out this thing. YOSHIMURA on the side, and I didn't want the full header system because it just won't be useful for the X7. RS4. Let's go do a quick mock-up on the bike. I took a look at it a little bit before, but yeah, guys, this is what we're working with. I mean, this is way bigger than I ever expected, which is not the end of the world. As you can see, it's not too bad. This is still in range of my my frame right here, so I'm thinking something like that, because if I go in more, it's gonna, I've got suspension. I mean, I'm rubbing on my back fender already, so if I sit on this bike, I mean, it's gonna be almost touching the back tire, so I can't go that far in. So it's gonna be about right here. We've still got the straight pipe going on it, and I basically just need to get an extension to come and meet the YOSHIMURA right here. So I hope everyone smashes that like button for this new bad boy, and I don't want to lead you guys on or anything, so we're not going to be installing the pipe in this video. Obviously, I have some work to do with the routing and everything, but today we're going to be doing some sound only tests. I really wanted to do this last video, but we didn't get a whole lot of testing. I want to get some nice straight pipe sound only, and since we've got Nobble here to film, I want to go for some cool shots. I'm going to throw the stock pipe back on to see just how bad that actually did sound. So let's get into that next. Woo! This thing is probably just about as much worth as the actual X7 itself. So guys, I went for it. You guys voted YOSHIMURA, we went with YOSHIMURA. Figured I'd let Nobble drive the bike down to the shop, or drive it. Go ahead. This is like one of his first times on it. He just stalled it. I freaking missed it though, so he's about to start it up. And it's straight piped right now. We're in the neighborhood, so holy crap, he's rough on it. Wow, sorry about the wind, guys, but all right, I gotta go catch up to him. So here's a comparison, guys. I mean, just this whole thing is so much bigger than this thing. I mean, check out the muffler difference. I mean, this whole thing is the muffler, and just this little guy is the muffler on this one, and we're gonna do a quick weight on it. I know we're not installing it today, but I just want to do all this stuff now because I'm sure for the install, I don't want to have to, you know, show you guys all this and bore everyone, but let's do this quick. This is gonna be one case where I think we're gonna be actually not saving weight, even though we're adding carbon fiber. About 5.5, not too bad. And then stocky over here, about 2.2. So the Yoshi over here weighs about double the old pipe, which hey, what are you gonna do? This thing is sick. Alright, so I've got the bike in the shop now, but check this out. I've never seen this. Phillip head screws for the exhaust mounts. That's just weird to me. Doesn't seem right, but I've got the old pipe on here, as you can see, and hear me out. So we've got the Yoshi right here. What if I was able to cut off this, since it's got this expansion chamber on it, where I need it? This is obviously bigger diameter than my old tubing, but yeah guys, I would probably end up cutting about right here, but just, you know, I'd cut it to the size it needs, and then these two would just link up, weld it, and we'd be good to go. I mean, I know it's kind of dumb that I wouldn't have a big fat exhaust like this for the entire way, but there's just not many options I've seen out here. Like, I can't even get a stock header for this bike. All I've seen is the FMF pull up. It's the Piranha pit bike, and I haven't seen any like OEM exhaust pipe, just something cheap that I can get for just the header alone. But what do you guys think about that? Let me know down below. All right guys, so we're at the port, and check out this. I mean, we're kind of playing with ideas here. So what if I had the bike or the pipe mounted on this outside like this? So basically it would still go in like that, because as you can see, it bends in like that. So basically, yeah, do that again there. It would go in there. I've got the stock pipe, so we can't completely fit it in. And then this mount right here would link up to my frame right here. So it'd kind of be, this part would be in there, and then that would kind of stick out something like that. So check out the overall view of that. I mean, that looks like straight up Mario Kart right there, which I really like. And what do you guys think about that? Keep giving me your ideas, because yeah, we're kind of working with scratch here. So now I'm gonna get into the sound only part of the video. So I've got the stock pipe on right now, and we're gonna do some idling shots, and then I'm gonna do some flybys too. I also have the speedometer app going, because we never really tested the top speed like we did last time with the stock pipe on. We only did the straight pipe pulls, and then we'll move on to the straight pipe after this. So those were the pulls with the stock exhaust installed. I've got the miles per hour app pulled up here. 49 miles per hour. Check that out, guys. That's 1 miles per hour short of the Pokemon Pocket Bike, and about 5 miles per hour short of the straight pipe, which we're going to be testing right now again. So we'll see. Maybe the straight pipe doesn't have as much top end speed. Let's check it out. "48 miles per hour. That is weird, guys. I don't know what was up with the last week's video when we did these pulls, but I'm hitting a lot higher speeds. I mean, that's 4 or 5 miles per hour higher than last week, which is pretty weird. Nothing has changed for the setup on the bike, but hey, I guess I'll take it. Maybe it's the weather, even though it's absolutely dying out here today. Hence the no safety gear this time. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and the comparisons. I think it was worth it, and I'm really looking forward to the YOSHIMURA install because that's going to be the final pipe for this bad boy. Really hope it sounds awesome. So again, thank you guys for watching. See you next time.